Hey guys, I hope you're well. I gotta be careful here. Scout is so quiet and he is always right on my heels. You wanna see? I hear breathing. Hey Scout. Hey guys. Hang on. Let me pause here and close these drapes. Hey Scout. You wanna say hi to the fellas? Say hi boys, welcome back. Glad you're here. What an idiot. Hey guys, welcome back. Glad you're here. I really am. It's been a minute, hasn't it? I'd like to show you my workshop. Last time you were in here, I showed you my workbench. It's basically unchanged. Although I was working here the other day and I got out my VTVM and I did all my troubleshooting with it and it was glorious. Looking forward to getting to some of my other vintage test equipment. But to do that, I've got to get into my hobby again, don't I? I got to reconnect and become who I used to be all my life. I'm shaking right now. But last time you were here, the workbench was here, but not my ham desk. I vacated my laundry room ham shack. And it's a work in progress, right? You know what? I'm going to pause you and turn my anti-shake on. Hang on. No, I got to, hang on. Okay. Oh, that's much better. I wanted you to know something, guys. And it's because of every one of you kind souls that watch my dribble. I'd like you to know that it's all your fault. Right? If you think about it. Now, I want to do some serious QRPP work at 100 milliwatts, and I've already had a couple sessions to test the RF power attenuator that I've got cobbled together. And I learned a lot from that testing. I'd like to share it with you eventually. But look, my QRPP watt meter, my W7EL, get out of here. Check it out. QRPP watt meter. You can read accurately down to 50 milliwatts. Is that right? Hang on. No, you can measure accurately down to 5 milliwatts, and that's the meter I used when I contacted Southern Argentina and had an S7 QSO at 3 milliwatts. S7 in his ears. But the intent of this video, look, it's taken apart. It's taken apart. Yes, I had to work on it. Yes, I replaced the 9-volt battery. But why is it still taken apart? It's all your fault. Good viewers of mine. Oh, hang on. I can turn you to the side. Move something you're not supposed to see. Yeah, as I was saying, oh, it feels good to come back to my videos. I've missed you guys. And I mean that. Hi, Scout. Oh, that reminds me of Blitzy. The day before. Well, we'll leave that to the next video, won't we? Poor boy. Now I'm shaking. But it's all your fault. And that attenuator with that relay right there, now that's my 100 milliwatt version. You input 10 watts, it gives you 100 milliwatts out. That's for my CW fun. The other attenuator, which is buried in that pile of shit, 10 watts in gives you 1 watt out. The Yaesu can't go down to 1 watt. So I designed it for 10 in, 1 out. 10 in, 100 milliwatts out. Yeah, I'd like to put my stuff back together. See, I didn't cuss that time. Hang on. I show you. God, it feels good to be back. Hang on. I forgot my other laptop. This is the one I designed the thumbnail on. Strangely, I'll often design the thumbnail before the before I make the video. It's what gives me the inspiration, but I babble. I digress. This is the QRPP watt meter that I showed you. I want this minimized. It's on my Google Drive if anybody wants the PDF. It's a fabulous SWR power meter by Roy Llewellyn. Meeting Roy Llewellyn and becoming pen pals with him is my proudest accomplishment in my 50-year ham hobby. It is. Now, do you want to see something very sad before I say goodbye to you guys? I'm ready to make my Blitzy video now. I'm getting shaky just thinking about it. And I've made a dozen of them. Blitzy videos for you guys, and I can't watch them. I was too hurt at the time. I think enough time may have gone by now where I can talk about it. I think we'll try very soon. Oh boy. Hang on, let me pause you. Zoom in. Hey, Blitzy. I love you. I love you, Blitzen. I love you guys. Welcome back. I'll try to make, in all seriousness now. Well, that was serious. It's not your fault, but I wanted to at least make a I'm back video and show you what I've been doing with my ham radio bench, having moved it in here and having fixed my watt meter. But I have issues with it because of those RF power attenuators, and I want to talk about that, but I had to make this video first. Thanks for coming back to the dump. I hope you're well. I'll talk to you soon. Scout, he gets his own video pretty soon. Scout and I love you. Bye, guys.